Yeah.
Ayo, what is up gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So a lot of you guys have been requesting me to react on this song. So this music video is coming in from Meghalaya. So the name of the song is PARALOK va Maya and the singer is Shanbor featuring Lando. So I think Lando is the rapper. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what our brothers have for us on the table. And yeah, the song is in Khasi language, I believe, and I'm not a Khasi, so I don't understand Khasi language, but like I always say, language should not be a barrier for you to enjoy the music. We Northeastern listen to a lot of Korean music, Japanese music, and many other let's say Spanish music and stuff, even though we don't understand the meaning. So yeah man, let's just do it as much as we can, enjoy. Let's enjoy the ride. So man, here we go. Yeah. Wow, the beginning itself is so beautiful. Hey, it's party time. Oh man, these colors. And from the beginning itself, I can feel that the cinematography is awesome and the coming part is also going to be amazing. Yeah, also we have the subtitles, so it's great. Oh. Oh, the music, the party vibes in it, crazy man. I'm really loving this one. Also we have beautiful girls in here. So our Northeast girls are beautiful. They are beautiful in and out. I'm getting this 305 vibe, Pitbull vibe. Hey, I love his hair, man. Hey, I love the sneakers. Those are, I guess, Air Jordans. Man, the language sounds so cool when it is in rap, and he got the flow for real. He got it. And man, I don't know, everything is dope in this music video. The message that they're giving, and at the same time, you can rock in it, and it's basically saying that we have to live a happy life. We must stay united and stuff. Life is beautiful. for real, man, you should cherish the good moments of life. You should enjoy your life, for real. There is a time for everything. When it's time for sadness, stay in that mood for, but not for long time, yeah. But most of the time, always keep smiling, stay happy, and that should be the main motive for each and every one of us. And Northeast is a land of feast. We celebrate many festivals. We do, we marry, MERRY. We do the merry party and stuff. So man, that is our culture. We live a jolly life, a happy life. Wow. We should support these local, models and all. Oh, hey. Those moves were dope, man. These two girls killed it. Hey, that was the whole Paralok Va Maya official music video by Shanbor featuring Lando. Man, I really enjoyed this one, and this quality, the production is coming in from Meghalaya. That's really very dope, man. These days many good music are coming out from Meghalaya. Just recently I reacted to this JC Lingdo's Kinmo. That song was also super, and at the same time I'm getting the same vibe and that same feeling in this song too, man. So man, he's huge shout out to them, man. And also the Kiki Garot studio, shout out to all of you. Shout out to my brothers and sisters in Meghalaya. I'm sending in all the love, prayers to all of you. Stay healthy, stay safe, man. Yeah, Northeast for life.